This is just a quick review on my new Honda Crf250f 2025 model. It's just a good basic bike. Had that on the trail twice now. Suspension is good. I weigh about 195. Suspension's good for me. I think it's set up for a rider around 185. Really a good looking bike. Yeah, so I added some hand guards and a bag for my phone. But other than that, just a basic bike. There's no speedometer, no tachometer, no oil cooler. It's air cooled. One thing that did surprise me is there are rim locks on the front and the back wheels. But fuel injected. Listen to that. Nice, low volume, throaty. It's just buttery smooth. The throttle's buttery smooth. This comes on perfectly. Transmission shifts very easy. Just an awesome bike.